everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an audio from a video on Canva. So let's jump right into the video since it's pretty easy. Open your Canva application and also make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and open up a video that you want to mute or remove audio from. Simply go ahead and select the video tab and choose one of the video from the library, or simply tap on the plus button at the bottom and go ahead and tap on the mobile video option. Here, upload a video from the given template, or upload your own video by choosing the camera roll option. Choose the video you want to remove the audio from and tap on add to page. Now you can see that your video has been displayed on this page. In order to mute or remove the audio from the video, simply go ahead and slide through the panel available at the bottom of the screen where you can see various of menu. Tap on the volume button and then slide the little white circle all the way until the left hand side, and you'll be able to remove volume from the video. You can also simply tap on this little sound icon in order to mute the audio. Now you can go back and play the video and you can see that there is no audio available in the video. That is how you can easily remove an audio from a video on Canva. You can now save the changes or download your video according to your need. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.